Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another weekly scripture writing. I hope your week was very pleasant, and this is the end of the month, starting a new month today, May 1. So I'm hoping that you had a decent week. Next Sunday, of course, is Mother's Day. Something we can all be thankful for, because if it wasn't for our mothers, we wouldn't be here. So I'm just prepping my page, crossing out the wrong dates, since this is an altered book of 2021. This is actually year 2022. And I will stamp on the correct dates. And this will be, actually, I'm going to put April on the side and May on the side, because we're actually going into May. Because Sunday is May. Today is May. And as we just looked, we just finished on the 24th, so today is the 25th. I'm going to stamp those dates out. Get this all prepped up, and this one only has 30 days. Alright, so we are, what did I say, 25th? Yep, number 25. We are in the book of Psalms. It's a long book, of course. Got 150 of them. A lot of ways to praise and to talk to God in the book of Psalms. A lot of characters that spoke from their heart. So we can learn a lot from. In the book of Psalms, David and Moses and a lot of other people. And I'm sure you'll be able to find some feelings in there that you identify with, that you can relate to. So if you're looking for some emotional things, the book of Psalms is a good place to go when you're just looking to validate those feelings of whatever. And then which direction to turn those feelings into, because you don't want to stay in your feelings. That's really what's wrong with us. People stay in their feelings too long, and it causes so many problems. Where's my number 25? I mean my 28. 25, 26, 27. Here we go. I learn how to move on. Where's 29? 29 for this Saturday was 30. That's the only thing about these little teeny stamps like this. You always lose them. I really hate numbered stamps. I really wish they could make some good stamps. They don't fall apart. They don't get lost. There's 28. I don't see it. I see 31. I don't know where my 28 is at. 29. I keep saying the wrong number. But I'm looking for the right number. It is not in here. I don't see 29. So what I'm going to do is I am going to fast forward this. I'm going to decorate the page, and I am going to come back with my scripture written out. Is that 29? Here we go. I found it. Where's my block? Right in my face. Alright. There we go. And now I gotta find my number 1. But anyway, I'm going to put it on fast forward. I am going to stamp out my write out, my scripture, and then I will be right back so that you don't have to see me write. That would take too long. And then you decorate, and then, oops, hold on, hope I lose one number. And then I will be right back. Alright, so I am back, and apparently my filming got messed up. Sorry, so we didn't get to see me do my stamping or my scripture writing. And then the last one, somehow I had the scripture writing, but it was in fast speed, so I don't know what happened. I must have been hitting the wrong buttons. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and read what I wrote. And again, these are the ones I picked that just visually had some items in it that I could illustrate. So day 25, we're in Psalms, and it's Psalms 45:1. And my heart is indicating, can't talk. My heart is indicting a good matter. I speak of the things which I have made touching the king. My tongue is the pen of a ready writer. So we got a heart, speak, king, tongue, and pen is some of the items that a crown for the king. And then 47:1, oh, clap your hands, some hands, all you people, and you see some people. Shout, word, arrows coming out from shout, unto God with a voice of triumph. Then we got 50:4, he shall call to the heavens, some clouds for the heavens, from above, an arrow, and to the earth, picture of the earth, that he may judge, and got some scales, his people, and we got people there. And then 54:2, hear my prayer, O God, and give ear to the words of my mouth. So we got praying hands and ear and mouth. And then on this one, evening and morning and at noon will I pray and cry aloud, and he shall hear my voice. So we got clocks for evening, morning, and noon, and then you got praying hands and some arrows coming out from aloud and hear, and some tears for cry. And then 59, and that was 55:17, excuse me. And then 59:16 is, but I will sing of the power, yea, I will sing aloud of thy mercy in the morning, for thou hast been my defense and refuge in the day of trouble. So we got some musical notes for sing for both times, and then we got the sun rising for the morning. And then 63:2 says, to see the power in thy glory, so as I have seen thee in the sanctuary. So we got two sets of eyes for see and seen. And then glory, we just got some yellow lines coming off of that. And for the sanctuary, we've got a tent. And then my prayer. And so you can see here, I just got some butterflies going around the page, different colors and little splotches with different colors. And that is what I did for the week. Again, my picture will be on Instagram up close, and one group picture of both pages. And I thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. But most importantly, I'm hoping I'm encouraging you to actually read your word and maybe even write your word in whatever style that you choose, even if it's just a pen and paper. But most importantly, read it. So take care. God bless. And I dare you to read your